welcome to Full On Wi-Fi. In this video, I am going to show you different types of Arduino sensors. These are the Arduino sensors. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to start with the flame sensor. This is a flame sensor. It is used to detect a flame and it has a pins VCC, ground and digital output. This is a temperature and humidity sensor, DHT11. It has a pins VCC, ground and data pin. This is a photoresistor light sensor. It has LDR. It is used to sense the light. It has pins VCC, ground and digital output. This is a smoke sensor. It is used to detect a smoke. It is MQ2. You can see here. It has pins VCC, ground and analog output and digital output. This is an ultrasonic sensor used to measure the distance. It has pins VCC, ground, trigger and echo. This is a sound sensor. It has pins, ground, VCC, analog output, digital output. This is a tilt sensor. It is used to sense the tilt of the tilt motion. It has pins VCC, ground and digital output. This is an infrared sensor. It has pins VCC, ground and digital output. This is a 2-channel relay board and we also have 4-channel relay. This is a real-time clock module. It has pins VCC, ground, clock, data pin and reset. This is a RF transmitter and this is RF receiver. This both has pins VCC, ground and data pins used to transmit data wirelessly. So guys, hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.